Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my last episode sa Minodo Eating Contest. Yan. Ang tayong herbal tea na sambong kidney stone breaker. Last year I have kidney stones, and then thanks God it was removed by medicine and sambong tea. Yan. So I don't have any kidney stones right now. Going back to my life. Okay. So session yun kayo na. Play attention. Content ibalik. Yan. Replay na tayo. Replay. This is my last vlog na. Last episode. Yan si Ma'am Shen. Kasi si Happy Home. Yan. Part 2 na to. Saka si Ma'am Fatima. Yan. Part 2. May part 2 sila. Kasi naglo-loading kayo na, di ba? So, Ma'am Fatima Sahida, don't forget to visit the channel of Ma'am Fatima Sahida. I will give you a link in the description sa kanilang channel. Okay? And then, Happy Home. Okay. Shout out tayo. Nawala yung kanta. Sige lang, okay lang. Walang so ito na si Happy Homes, yung okay lang. Unahin natin si Ma'am Shen. Anyway, shout out tayo. Ito. Shout out to my member, Pink 96 Lovers. Okay. Nagpe-play ako ng playlist niya. Okay, number 1 pa siya. Medyo alikabok. That's the cellphone, sorry. Okay. So, 96 Pink 96 Lovers, shout out. And then, sa kabilang naman, dito tayo kay Living After 50s. 104 sa kanyang video. Sa playlist niya, 136 videos yan. Okay. So, always playing my member playlist. Always played. And then yan si Happy Homes Beauty. Yan. Shout out din kay Drone. Si Drone from Life. Yan, mga member ka to. Drone from Life, shout out. My friend from Germany, don't forget to subscribe. Then si Honey Pie. Honey Pie, where are you? Honey Pie, where are you? Nawala si Honey Pie ah. Pati sounds nawala. Ito. Ang tagal kitang hinintay. Honey Pie Vlogs. Kay tagal kitang hinintay, parang sang panaginip na muling mapagbigyan. Alam nagkakita. So, shout out Drone from Life, Honey Pie Vlog. Then another non-member, maybe hope they will join us and become my member. Okay, like Peace 109, hope you will become my member. I will play your video always and your playlist. Charot. And then Shiphead Dice. Okay, you want to become a member, don't hesitate to press the button. Then Where is Chip? Yan, Chip. Shout out. Shout out, Chip. Yan, according to Jeff. Okay. So, Ma'am Fatima, nandito na. Okay, meron tayong piniplay si Fish 199, si Ma'am Fatima nandito na, okay. Okay, Ma'am Fatima Sahida, si Happy Home, and then si Ma'am Shen, yan. Play tayo kay Fish 199. So, naglo-loading pa yan. Kuha lang muna. Ito. Shout out tayo kay Lourdes Wasin. Yan, si Ma'am Lourdes Wasin. Shout out tayo from Canada. Yan. Shout out din tayo kay Busing DJM Mix Vlog. Yan, from Negros. Yan. Si Busing yan, mabait yan. Motovlogger siya. So, don't forget to visit. Matagal nating kaibigan yan. Stress Life. Shout out. Yan. Stress Life. Okay. Stagtik. Shout out. Stagtik. And then tayo shout out si Ma'am Susana. I'm sorry. Susana J. Yan. Shout out, Ma'am. Christy Gaspar. Shout out. Okay. Marami pa. Si Anjen. It's. Shout out. Yan. So, kita kay Ma'am Kuan. Shen. Yan. Ito, bagong subscriber natin, si Pinit TV Media. Okay. So, dito tayo kay Fish 199. So, naka-loading pa si Fish 199. So, while loading, magkuhan tayo. Shout out tayo kay Hilton and Heli Vlog. Yan, si Busing sa Saudi Arabia. Saad Vibes. Yan, bagong subscriber natin, si Saad Vibes. Ito na si Ma'am Hanipay. Okay, nagpipili tayo ng nakasabay ang aking bayaran sa Pilipinas. OMG. Yan, don't forget to visit Ma'am Hanipay channel. Okay, palagi ko yung piniplay sa playlist nila. Okay, sa channel. Si Pilipina Music Lover, yung magaling kumantang kuan. I think Saudi siya ngayon. Hindi ko sure. Shout out to Montazir Collection. Yan, shout out. Poetry Channel. Shout out din kay Innerist World. Yan. So, yan na. Nandoon na si Fish 199. So, may parto pa tayo ngayon. Si Fish 199. At saka si Shen. So, may parto tayo.